Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Jason, and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So in this video, we're going to be talking about my top picks for green energy stocks. And as you guys know, this is something that I do like to talk about. I'm very passionate about green energy stocks, and I've actually made quite a bit of money on investing into this space, and a lot of other people have as well. So this is something that I'm very excited to talk about. So some of these companies, they've just had phenomenal performance, and some of them, maybe there might be some new ones you haven't heard about. So anyways, I hope you guys do stick around all the way through the whole video. I hope it's going to be a great one. I'm sure it's going to be a great one. So if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor already, and be sure to smash, destroy, and annihilate that like button right there, because it does help me out with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps spread this video to more people that might find it interesting. And if you have not already, please do consider subscribing. All right, now let's get to this. So the first one is Tesla, and as you can see, Tesla stock has gone up 500% over this year. Now the funny thing is that Tesla right now is trading around $420 a share, which, if you remember that famous tweet that Elon Musk made a while back ago when he said Tesla to 420, now obviously Tesla has had a stock split since then, so the stock has gone up a lot more since then. So I know Tesla went up 500% over this last year, but I think it's safe to say that Tesla could easily go up another 3 times over the next 5 years. I can see Tesla easily being a company that's worth over $1 trillion by that time. And some people can say they can see it probably doing that much sooner. I'm just trying not to go too extreme with this, but Tesla has been a great stock. I've been invested into it for a while, and it has done great things for me. And there is a growing demand on electric vehicles. And if you look at the total sale of new vehicles as a whole, electric vehicles don't even really scratch the surface of how many vehicle sales there are. So there's a lot more room for these electric vehicles to actually take more percentage of the market. And especially as price does come down on these things and the technology gets better, say for example, autopilot. And EV sales really have nowhere to go but up. That is because the state of California, the most popular state in the United States, has put a ban on the sale of new gas-powered vehicles by 2035. Everybody has to go the clean energy route, and I'm sure that Tesla will be getting a large percentage of that. I have no doubt about that, in my honest opinion. And let's not forget about China, who is also moving really fast, much faster than the United States, into transitioning into more cleaner energy. And by 2025, they see that 20% of vehicle sales will be EV. So China is moving really fast with their EV market, and Tesla is there in China, and Tesla can be taking up a large percentage of that market. They actually do have a good percentage of the EV market right now, so I can see that continuing to grow. There's also some new Tesla factories being built right now, which can help them crank out more vehicles, and not just here in the United States, they got those in Europe as well. And let's not forget about the Tesla Cybertruck, which should be coming out sometime in 2021. I'm assuming probably more towards the end of it, but that does have a lot of pre-orders, and there's going to be a lot of people going to be getting that Cybertruck, and that's going to really help them out as well. Let's not forget about the Roadster, which that is going to be coming out in the near future as well. We also have the semi-truck. We can't forget about that semi-truck. We've been hearing a lot about that for many years now, and that's going to be coming out soon too. I think those production of that also does start in 2021, so we have that to look forward to. And let's not forget about solar, which Tesla is in the solar industry, and that is an industry that is going to be growing with clean energy. So that's going to be a big thing for Tesla. And the last thing for Tesla is their car insurance, which by itself could possibly be the size of Tesla as it is right now. Like, that's a whole nother industry that Tesla can be get into, and the insurance business is a really big industry, so there's a lot of money to be coming from that. But more so about the green energy, there is just so much money that's going to be coming into that over these next few years. So I can see Tesla just really making some huge gains off of that as time goes on. Next is Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG. Now, you guys know that I like talking about Plug Power a lot. It's a stock that I've been invested into, as well as talking about on this channel for over 2 years now. And over this last year, it's done really well for me. From November of 2019 to now, November of 2020, Plug Power has gone up over 600%. So it's just really had an amazing run. Now, for somebody that does not really know much about Plug Power is a leader in hydrogen fuel cell technology. And they have their technology in a lot of things, from forklifts to vehicles to even generators. So they got a lot of stuff going on in that, as well as they are building an infrastructure for hydrogen refueling as well. And Plug Power is working on making their hydrogen pure green energy by using the power of solar and wind to be able to process it. And Plug Power is not just trying to grow their business here in the United States, they're also trying to grow their business in Europe as well, where there's going to be a lot of money being pumped into green energy. So there's a lot of growth to be coming from there. And Plug Power wants to be a leader in green energy in Europe as well. The next one is Solar Edge, ticker symbol SEDG. So this stock is up 180% from this time last year. And as you can see, it did have a big spike up at the end of September, and it kind of came back down a bit in October, and it's at where it's at now in November, but that's to be expected when it does have such a huge increase like this. You got to expect that there is going to be some pullback in the stock. Of course, Solar Edge says solar. I mean, their name is a given, but they're doing more than just solar panels. They're also in energy storage as well as solar EV charging. So they're in some industries that are just going to keep growing in clean energy as time goes on. All right, this next stock is very similar to Solar Edge. It's another solar stock called Enphase Energy, ticker symbol ENPH. And the interesting thing about this one is 3 years ago, they were at the brink of going into bankruptcy, but they have turned things around. And look at this, from November 2019 to now, Enphase Energy stock has gone up nearly 500%. This company has a market cap of $13.8 billion. Now, that is absolutely amazing that they managed to turn things around, and the stock has just been going crazy. All right, this next one is my favorite EV charging stock, and that is ChargePoint, who is going to be going public through a reverse merger through a SPAC company called Switchback Energy, who is trading under the ticker symbol SBE. Now, ChargePoint is a stock that I can see that could easily 10x over the next 5 years, given the growth that EVs are going to be having. And ChargePoint is not just in the United States. This is a company with global expansion plans. They have a lot of charging stations over in Europe. So this company is making a lot of big moves, and there's a lot of money coming into this company. So that is 5 green energy stocks that I can see that is going to have a lot of growth over the next 5 to 10 years. Now, I know these stocks have already performed very well just over even this last year, but I see a lot more to come, especially with all the money that's going to be pouring into these green energy space here. So there's a lot of potential here. Now, I know that there's plenty of other green energy stocks that I left out, and plenty more stocks that I talk about regularly on this channel that I did not mention in this video, but hey, there's room for another one. So I'll make another follow-up video with 5 more green energy stocks coming within the next week or so. Anyways, I'd like to hear what you guys think, and is there any other green energy stocks that you would like me to talk about on this channel? So as always, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video coming very soon.